Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished classic suit jacket. I showed you how to draw and cut this jacket very thoroughly. Today I want to show you two different outfits with this jacket. First, I want you to notice how a classic jacket changes the body and the whole view. You look much more slim and elegant. As I've said, everyone should have a classic suit jacket. I want you to understand one very important thing. A classic jacket can't be of a close fit. Even if you have a very slim waist, you shouldn't make a close-fitting jacket. Classic jacket should be a bit loose. The tuck on the front can't be too big. You can make a jacket more close-fitting by making tucks on the side details. I've showed you 3 ways to do it in the second video. I don't have such problem because my body is absolutely perfect. Reminds of a barrel. You can button a jacket if you want to. I don't do it. Anyway, it is still possible. I don't feel comfortable this way. I wanted to have a close look at the jacket. It was made on the basis of a perfect basic pattern. You can see that the jacket fits me perfectly. Have a look at the chest darts. Notice that in my jacket they are a bit biased. It's just because of my body type. A chest dart can be straight or a bit biased like in my jacket. Have a look at the side details and the sleeves. The 2-piece sleeve is of a perfect shape. Have a look at the way the back fits me. The jacket is very comfortable. The lining copies the jacket itself. I wanted to have a close look at the 2-piece sleeve once again. It's absolutely amazing. I don't like wide sleeves in jackets. As I've already said, this jacket is very comfortable. Next, I wanted to have a close look at the collar. This one is not wide. It's pretty classic. You can make any color you want. The design allows me wearing this jacket almost with anything I want. This outfit, classic jacket with a pencil dress, is pretty fancy. Next, I'll show you one more outfit, more casual one. Have a look at me. I put the jacket on together with the dark blue shoes, skirt, and a simple white shirt. The jacket looks absolutely different now. I recommend making such jackets to everyone. Classic suit jackets are multifunctional. Such jacket can be a part of many different outfits. If you make a jacket with some interesting details, peplum, white collar, and so on, it will look more fancy. Classic designs are the best. Make a classic jacket of a basic color, black, white, or beige, and wear it with anything you want. I showed you how to design, cut, and double this jacket. I've showed you the most complicated moments and details. Maybe later I'll make a course on how to make a jacket, where I show you the whole process from the beginning till the end. What do you think? That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. Remember that practice makes perfect. My name is Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like button. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.